What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows 10 update error code 0x8007041d. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to basically fix this update error that you might be getting. One of the first things you should do is type in date and time into your search bar and click into change date and time settings, right? Once you're in this specific page, first make sure you have set time on automatically on, and the next thing is make sure you do sync now to basically synchronize your clock, because it's entirely possible your Windows clock is not synchronized properly, especially if you had it off from automatic, hence why your update's not happening. The next thing you should do if that doesn't fix your error, this error, is type in troubleshoot to get to troubleshoot settings into your Windows device over here. And in here, we're going to essentially click into additional troubleshooters. In here, we're going to find where it says for Windows Update and click into that and run this specific troubleshooter to see if this can help resolve the error. If that also does not work, the final thing to do is type in CMD, right click into it and run as administrator. In here, we're just going to type in sfc /scan now to let this process basically happen. It's going to take some time, but let this process occur. Once this process is done, it's going to ask you to restart your computer. Do so, then try to do the update, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash thumbs up. Guys on the channel, make sure to subscribe, get that notification bell, and I'm Tutorials out. Peace.